Let's now go across to Uma Sudhir, who joins us in a story that says that the Hyderabad police, to prevent minors from driving on public roads, they're leaving no stone unturned. In the last 2 months, 26 parents have been arrested in the city after their children were found behind the wheel. We've been seeing cases like this being reported all over the country, where you have minors. Often when I'm driving to work, you can see these young kids on bikes, especially, most of them without helmets, and you wonder what can be done about them because they're underage. But the Hyderabad police seems to have found an answer to that.
Yes, indeed, Sarah. The Hyderabad police, in fact, taking a very serious view of minors driving either two-wheelers or four-wheelers. And they, in fact, started a special drive in February. And from then onwards, nearly 70 parents have, in fact, gone to jail. And they have even sent minors to jail. This is, of course, under Section 180 of the Motor Vehicles Act, which says that anyone under the age of 18 is not to be allowed to drive, should not be driving a vehicle. They may not even, of course, be having a license either. And these parents are being tried in a magistrate court, after which they are being sent to judicial custody for a day or two. And in an unprecedented move, in fact, the minors themselves, at least a couple of minors, have so far been sent to a juvenile home for a day or two. They are, in fact, being tried in the juvenile courts as well. All of them have to go through a compulsory counseling session. And what is more interesting, Sarah, is that both in the case of minor driving as well as in the case of drunken driving, the police is actually linking these kind of traffic violations with the Aadhaar cards of these minors and their parents as well, so that when they are presented before the judge, they will know the traffic violation history or their traffic discipline history. And the police is also telling us that that is obviously going to reflect in their Aadhaar card details, and therefore, even if you're going to, apply for a passport or a visa in the future, your traffic violation history will show up. So, in a sense, trying to use the stick and the fear, the threat that you may not be able to get a passport if you're kind of, aspiring to go abroad and get a degree there or get a job there in future, that is going to be, in fact, seriously, in a sense, compromised if you're going to be caught driving as a minor or caught driving under the influence of alcohol. I must point out that, yes, there have been cases of casualties, serious accidents, at least 3 or 4 of them leading to death of minors themselves, and minors driving a vehicle endangering others on the road. And both these are being taken very seriously by the police. I must point out that just about 3 days ago, in fact, Sunday night, is when 4 engineering students, about 19 to 20 years of age, second-year engineering students, they went, in fact, midnight. They were on a drive, and one of the girls, in fact, drove into the pavement, into the sidewalk, and one of the people who was sleeping on the pavement was killed. I must point out that in this case, though they had the license to drive and they were not minors in terms of driving, they were not supposed to have consumed alcohol, but there was CCTV footage that showed that they came out of the pub, and therefore the pub has also now been closed. So action being taken at both ends as well, but parents being made responsible for the behavior of minors. Back to you.